Hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel for those who are returning, and welcome to my channel for those who are new. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing because I'm just at my lunch again, still working from home. So these videos are just going to have to be done like this for now. Okay, this is my very first order from Goulet pens. And as you may have watched, my very first fountain pen, it was a Goulet in fire blue. This one is also very well regarded in the fountain pen community. Sorry, I had to get my packing slip out. So it is, oh yeah, that's right. They give you a little lollipop. Thank you, Goulet pens. Okay, here are the sample inks, and I'll show you all those later. I'm in a rush right now. Okay, let me see what else I got in here. I got a sticker. Cool beans. It's an ink sticker. Awesome, thank you. And it just talks about who packed my order. Thanks, Andy. It was very carefully packed. And then it just talks about the business. Cool, thank you. All right, so here is the TWSBI logo. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Cushion. Okay. The TWSBI stuff, the instructions. Y'all know what that is. And here it is. It is a TWSBI Rose Gold Mini White. Y'all, I am so super excited to use this. The inks that I ordered, they're shimmering inks. So I'll have to do a test on those, but not right now because I gotta eat lunch, y'all. And I'll just have to film it, and maybe I'll add it to this video. I don't know, or if this is just gonna be a video by itself. Okay, it just comes off. Alrighty then. Oh my goodness, so super cute. This is also a twist off cap and twist on. Let me compare it to, oh, I gotta be careful. Gosh, I can't accidentally. So compared to Goulet, this is by Goulet. Oh. The TWSBI is a little bit longer. Yeah, just a tad. But when they're closed, let's see. When they're closed, the Lilliput is definitely shorter, which is the reason why I went with the Lilliput first, because I really wanted it for my Nano. Alright y'all, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for all the new subs recently that subbed. Thanks for all the ones that have been with me for quite some time. Look forward to sharing more videos with y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.